Materials: small earthen pot, handi, cotton, ribbon, decorative material like plastic mirrors, scissors, glue, and some more decorative stuff. Take the ribbon and cut 4 strips, according to the size of the pot. Stick the strips to the pot vertically, as shown. Now take the bigger strip and stick it horizontally in the center of the pot. Now, take the plastic mirrors and decorate the pot. Stick the mirror around the pot, as you like. Now place the cotton over the pot. Or, stuff the pot with a tissue. Then stick the cotton over it. Stick the decorative balls to make it more attractive. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to never miss an update from Planet E.